What if we do a beach video?
The beach could be fun. They would get wet anyways, right? I got the towels in the car, those nice super absorbent towels. That may work. I don't think the squad is gonna care. It's just about drying them off well afterwards. He's like, as long as you cuddle me. Titus, you like cuddles? Oh, hey Kimari, are you waking up? Are you waking up finally? Hi Mari. This child hasn't moved since last night. Hi baby. Hi baby, pause. Why is she so lazy this morning? Look at her. She's so lazy. Crazy kid. It's so bucketing right now, it's crazy. And we're gonna have some hot chocolate, and we're gonna have oatmeal, and I'm gonna share the oatmeal with the squad. Yuna's super happy. She's got the best seat in the house right next to Dad. And Kimari doesn't want Dad to stop cuddling her. And Yuna's gonna fall asleep. And it's bucketing. It's perfect. That was really fast, wasn't it?
So it's cooked already?
Yeah, it's,
wow.
It's almost done. Look at this. This is like done in 3 minutes. That was really fast. Maggie, you know you're gonna get some, huh?
It's done, right?
Yep, it's done. Okay, so here's our campground right here. We're starting the trail, the Cape Perpetua trail today. This is about 1.4 miles. We're gonna go up and we're gonna do the Amanda trail. That's about 3 miles. And this leads to Yachats. So we're gonna do an out and back. Yachats is over here. And this is Amanda trail. And then Cape Perpetua, which are right here. So that's our trail today. Total of about 9 miles.
All right.
Okay, so we're starting to get ready for dinner. Another 1-pot wonder, just water in here. And gotta have the olive oil. The olive oil just makes everything taste so good. And also the pot doesn't stick when you do that. I'm gonna add some vegetable bouillon here. If I can get it out, because it's so moist, I'm gonna have to tear it.
so moist. So 2 bouillon cubes in here. So easy. So easy. You guys need to let me know if you want to have these recipes, but I've come up with at least 5-6 recipes by now of these amazing one-pot dishes, and once you prepare it at home, it's so easy because you can just do this on the campground and you have your food ready. Look how moist it's here in Cape Perpetua. Everything just doesn't tear, it just kind of rips. It's just barely. It's so moist. Okay, so we have that, and here's a jambalaya packet. I can't remember exactly what I put in here, but of course it's got tomato, rice, peppers, it's got some veggie sausage in here, and all the spices. So yeah, if you guys want these recipes, let me know, because they're so good that sometimes we feel like eating them at home. That's how good these recipes are. So you just prep it ahead of time with your favorite ingredients and you have yourself an amazing jambalaya. Can't wait to have this. So that's it. Just put it all in. Squatter's gonna get some too, as usual. So the secret to make it squad approved, like I always say, don't put onion, don't put garlic, don't put that stuff. And you can eat with your pup on the campground. This is not their everyday meal, but they're completely allowed to have that once in a while when they go camping. I think they could smell it. They're really good puppies. They're being so good, but you can't hear Titus right now, but he's complaining because he wants to come closer, but he knows he has to behave. Alright, so that's it. Water. We eat a lot when we go camping because we're always starving after our day. And then I don't need these orange things yet because it's not hot. I'll put it directly on the fire, but once it's going to be hot, use these gloves to protect yourself. JC taught me that. Blow the fire, it makes it stronger.